Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Jason with my more guitar stuff. I'm still learning stuff. I haven't really felt like I've learned enough to put stuff on there, but if you want to follow my journey, I have been working on some songs and possibly be doing something with some friends soon, hopefully. So we're getting a little song list together as I'm learning. I'm taking more lessons for about 3.5, 4 months. But what I did find out is that I needed a different guitar for the sound that I wanted to get. So I decided to purchase one off of Amazon. I know that's not very recommended, but for what I wanted and for what I've seen, I've decided not to try to spend too much more money until I can develop and know exactly what I'm supposed to be buying anyways. So if you have some advice on things for beginners to get. But what I did get came in today. It is the AS53. It's an Ibanez semi-hollow guitar, which is the sound that I like. I caught some videos on YouTube of people playing different guitars and just so you get different sounds. So came in today. I'm super excited. And here we go. We're unboxing this sucker. This is, as you know, I do all my videos in one take because that's all I know. So let's see what we got here. Packaging. 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 There's boxes in boxes. All of these guitars are going for around $3.99 on Amazon, but this one had a stand. So I said, well, $3.99 plus a stand plus a cable. You never have too many cables, from what I understand. And, well, it's a guitar tuner, but I already have one, but why not? You know, maybe I'll give it to a friend or my son who's been, I've actually been showing him stuff on guitar, so. And this little, I don't know what the hell it is. It's a gear bag of some sort. So, well, we'll worry about all this later. I'm really just curious. Well, it's not a bag. I think it's just to wipe it down. Just, it's an advertisement, geartree.com. Anyway, so, moment of truth. Inside this box is another box. Ta-da! Here we have it. This box is, I was worried about having it shipped, I'll be honest with you. UPS had some technical difficulties, and I actually had to go to the UPS place to pick it up. So I was scared that it was destroyed in transit, and they was having me come in to break the bad news. So here we go. Took the tape off. My first time laying eyes on it. Lots more packaging, if you can see this. A little Ibanez manual booklet thing. I'll be looking at that later. More packaging. This is it. Ooh. It feels a little heavier than I thought it would be, being semi-hollow, but I guess that's good, you know, it's solid. What I didn't know, and my guitar teacher, Jody Mayo, was telling me was that you get more feedback when you turn them up loud with the hollow and the semi-hollows, and that's why a lot of people like, for rock music, they like the solid bodies. But here we go. Moment of truth. Here we go. Try to take, got a little adjustment thing for the truss rod, just like in the other video with the cheap guitar I bought. Oh, this is nice. This is exactly what I was hoping. This is not as big width-wise as the hollow bodies, and hopefully I can still get a good tone out of it. It's not very thick here, but it's still hollow, as you can hear, and I opted for the flat red. So yeah, I haven't played it, but I'm already happy with it. Take that tag. Tuner. I hope you can hear this good enough. I actually didn't put my amp over here for whatever weird reason to hook it up, but I'm going to tune it real quick and play it Man, the action is real good right out the box. That's very good. It's better than the ones I've been playing that I set my own action on, actually. So, yeah. They must tune it before they send it. You know, of course, it's going to get out of tune, but it's so close to being in tune that it's just a little flat. So this shouldn't take me too long. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, everything is just a little flat, which is not bad since it shipped from across the country. All right, so the feel of the frets, they're well rounded and pretty smooth. A lot of times when you get a cheaper guitar, rather, they have some buffing and stuff. There's little things you could do. There's lots of videos on YouTube of what to do with that. But I like it. I like it a lot. So that is it. Again, you can't hear. I probably should have put the amp up there, but I will, once I get a little used to the guitar, do a demo of what it is. Anyways, it was $2.99 on Amazon. So if you're looking for an affordable hollow electric blues guitar, there you go. I'm already impressed. Again, I know I haven't hooked up any electronics or anything, but that's okay. Everything feels good, and I love the color. I don't know why. I like the flat. I don't like the. Didn't want it glossy. Man, I don't know if you can tell. I'm happy. I'm happy with it. And once I get a little used to it and do a little bit with it, I'll make another video doing a demo, and that's about it. Anyways, there it is. AS53. This is the flat red hollow or semi-hollow. So a little jazz and blues guitar, which is kind of what I'm in the mood to learn. So there you go. So yeah, I guess the way things are going with e-commerce and stuff, can't really be afraid to order online. I talked to a couple of people, stores that and they didn't sell Ibanez, and from what I hear that not a lot of people do because they make so much money online that they don't. They said they didn't even go to the NAMM show this year, so because they don't have to. But anyways, great, man. It feels good. Really happy with it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video because I feel like I'm gonna start rambling, and I'm gonna go play for a while and maybe make you another video soon. All right, thanks. If you want to follow me, follow my journey. Soon I will be playing music with friends, Lainey, Crystal, and hopefully get in with some dudes. But I know some women that sing and they don't play guitar, and there you go. But soon I'll be doing something more, and if you're interested in watching that and finding that, press like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Till see you again.